What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Nick, and this channel is everything you need to know about landscape photography. Today we're talking about a little app that I found on my iPhone. It's actually pretty cool. It's called Snapseed. Disclaimer, I'm not getting paid to make this video for them or anything. I just searching through the App Store and I found it. And if you're kind of caught without your camera and all you have is your phone to take an awesome landscape photo, this is probably the app to use. So let's roll that intro. Alright, before we start today's video, I'd sure appreciate it if you guys could subscribe, like, comment, and hit that little bell icon. That way it'll let you know whenever I upload a new video. It'd be awesomely appreciated. Also, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. Oh, and if you haven't already, check out my website. It's up. What? Kind of crushed that out in about a week. Maybe that's the reason why I had bags under my eyes in the last video. And don't forget to check out the shop as well. So let's get into it. Alright guys, today we're talking about an app called Snapseed that is available for iOS and Android. Basically it'll take your photo from looking like this to looking like this. I know, mind-blowing, right? So if you're out and about and you're caught without your camera and all you have is your phone, this app is probably one of the most intuitive and easiest editing apps for your phone. So let's dive into it. Once you open up Snapseed, you're going to be greeted with this user interface here. So you have you can open from recent photos, open from device. Let's go albums, recent. Yeah, there we go. And just kind of gives you a couple other options. On the top right hand corner there, you have your undo, redo, revert information. What took the photo from my iPhone 11, f1.8, 4.25 millimeter zoom, ISO 32. August 25th was when it was captured, and a whole bunch of other details there, so that's pretty cool. 3 little vertical dots. You press that, it'll bring up tutorials, help, feedback, and settings. So that's the top menu bar. On the bottom, that's where we're going to focus on. So when you click on looks, it's going to give you a whole bunch of looks or filters. I don't really generally use this, but some of them are kind of cool. With portrait, it's not bad. Pop is not bad. Faded glow, starting to get a little. Nope, that's not cool. So, if by chance you're scrolling through this and you like one, check or press the little check mark in the bottom right hand corner. If you don't, just hit the X on the other side. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus in here on tools, and they have a bunch of tools in here. Like you got tune image, details, curves, white balance, crop, rotate, perspective, expand, brushes, black and white, a whole bunch. But the ones that I usually use is tune image, details. Sometimes I'll go with the brush, not too often. And there's a few in here that I just stay away from, and I'll get to those in a minute here. So let's get fired up here to tune the image. And with this, all you'd have to do for brightness, drag. So to the right, the image gets brighter, to the left, darker, so on and so forth. And then on the bottom here, right where it has the little slider icon, that's where you can change brightness, contrast, saturation, ambience, highlights, all that good stuff. So for me, my editing style, I do like punchy color, but I don't like to go over the top. So let's go back to brightness here. +3 is okay. Contrast, bump that up to maybe about a +7. Saturation, not too much. It's actually, those colors look pretty good. Ambient, maybe a +4, sure. Highlights, let's crush those a bit. Shadows, get those in a little bit. There we go, that's okay. Warmth I don't really ever use because the iPhone does take pretty close to true life photos. So with warmth, like I said, you go to the right, it gets a lot warmer. Goes to the left, it gets a lot cooler. Let's leave it at that. I like this. Let's hit the check mark. Okay. Click on tools again, bring up your little toolbox here. Click on details. This will give your structure. So all the way to the left. Okay, it's a little sharper and a little softer going the other way. I think +4 is okay. Sharpening, I don't really think we need too much on here. Yeah, it's kind of looking HDR-ish. +3 is good. Okay. One of the tools here that I see other landscape photographers or portrait photographers use is vignetting. I do put a little bit of vignetting on my photos, usually around the -15 to -20, just enough for your eye to kind of focus in on what I'm trying to get them to focus in on. But if you're going out like that, where it's all black around the edge of your photo, that's not for me. I don't know, that might suit your fancy, but that's just not for me. Not for me at all. And then on the flip side, you go the other way, the white vignette. I've never once taken a photo that needed a white vignette. So, I mean, it's there if you want it, but I don't know. My editing style, no. I just keep it on the black side around 15 to 20. It doesn't take away from your image at all. It just kind of gives it that little focus in on here kind of deal, and it keeps the integrity of the photo intact. So let's keep that. One of these little tools in the toolbox here called HDRscape. I personally do not like the HDR look. Some people do, some people love it, but I'm not one of them. It just makes your photo look weird to me. I don't know. Do you think it looks weird? Let me know in the comments below, but for me, I don't like it. So right now this HDRscape is set to halfway. If you bring it all the way up, then it just looks I don't know what to say. Nope. Again, that's just my personal preference. You might like it. So, if you do, we can't be friends. Just kidding. So, yeah, I don't know. I never put any type of HDR filter on any of my photos. So, brushes. Even though I don't tend to always use the brushes, it's there if you need it. So you got your dodge, burn, exposure, temperature, and saturation brush. So basically you just take this brush, paint over whatever you want to have more saturation, or you can bring it down, bring it up, bring the saturation out. So, I mean, the possibilities with this app is endless. So when you're happy with the images that you've edited on Snapseed, your last step, export. You can share it, open in, save a copy, and export. So pick whatever one you want. The bottom three I do believe saves directly to your camera roll, and then the share feature will be able to share to social media, share it to friends on messages, and email it. So that's basically Snapseed in a nutshell. I just came across it, and a few weeks ago when we were in our Jasper trip, this app is perfect. If you're in a pinch, you don't have your camera with you, you just have your phone. Fantastic little app to kind of get you by until you get your actual camera. iPhone. Alright guys, I think that just about does it for today. Like I said, I didn't get paid to make this video. I just found this on the App Store and I was like, this is killer. This will help a lot of people put out those Instagram bangers. Make those photos crispy. So please subscribe, like, comment, hit that little bell icon in the bottom there. It'll let you know when I upload another video, which will be maybe next Tuesday. We'll see. Maybe. If not, then for sure on Thursday, because I have to keep to my schedule. So, anyways, I will see you in the next one. Peace. Hope the audio is a little better this time. Last time, I think there was a little scratching sound or whatever because I had the mic clip here, and the dangling things. Like last time I had a hoodie on and the drawstring was kind of. And hopefully the bags under my eyes are gone. Are they gone? My last video, I don't know. It was too early in the morning. Like I literally got out of bed, threw clothes on, came down and filmed. Maybe I should wait, put some cucumbers on my eyes. I don't know. So I think that just about wraps it up today. Really? The furnace has to come on? Okay, I'll do the end sequence after the furnace is done. Maybe off to the center. Let's see. Over here. Over here. Should I do a Q&A video? Let me know down below. Maybe I'll do what's in my gear bag. Maybe. Q&A video. Gear bag video. Which one? You choose. Okay, I think that's good.